Here's an update. I got the trans in. Everything fits very nice. Everything just sitting in position right now. I got a lot of things to move around and bolt together. Some info on the trans. It's a manual valve body turbo 350 with a Transbrake. I have a C2 converter that was built to my combo. Hopefully it picks up top end. Oil pan fits very nice, clears everything. It's in the back position where it sets it in a small block Chevy stock location. But yeah, it's in. Now I just gotta slowly start putting all this wiring together, figure out where it all goes again. Hopefully a couple more weeks and it might make noise. What I like about these motor mounts is I can move the motor forward very easily. And it gives me all this room back here to be able to get to the bell housing bolts, tuck wires, and then I could just slide the motor right back into place. It just makes it very simple.